trying to vilify Republicans. They're heartless, they're budget cutters, they favor firing teachers and first responders. Oh, and kids don't get immunizations. And Republicans shut down schools and let criminals go. Now, earlier today, the House GOP leadership responded. They tried to put some sanity in these numbers into perspective.
The president's only idea to solve a problem is to take more from the hardworking taxpayers. Let's put the sequester into perspective. It's $85 billion. We have a spending problem in Washington. We borrow more than $1 trillion. We roughly borrow $85 billion every 28 days. So what we are looking to do is cut less than what we borrow in 1 month. Not what we spend, but what we borrow. This is not time for a roadshow president. This is a time to look for someone who will lead and work with us, because we're willing to work with them to solve America's problem.
All right, now, Congressman McCarthy is absolutely correct. There will be a slight economic impact, but it will not put this country in dire straits. Now, let me explain.